In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix the most common Bosch dishwasher error codes and what they mean. So Bosch dishwasher used error codes to tell you exactly what's wrong. So let's get through the most common ones. So if you see the E15, so let's take a look for that. E15, this means there's water in the base of the dishwasher, so to fix it, unplug the unit, carefully tilt it to drain out excess water and check for leaks or clogs. Another error code is E24. That means is this points to drain issues. You'll need to check the drain hose for kinks or blockage and make sure the filter and pump are clean. The second one is the E25. This is similar to E24, but it specifically indicates a blockage or blocked drain pump. So remove the filter, check the impeller, and clear any food debris. So let's head over to the EO9 or error code 9. This means a heating issue. So usually the heating implement or element needs servicing or replacement. So this one require a professional repair. S- The other common error is the E22. So this means is the cause is by a dirty filter. So just simply remove and rinse the filter under running water, then install it. And the other error code is you can find at their Bosch dishwasher error codes at their official website. So if you're not sure about your error code, you can check the dishwasher manual or, like I said, visit the Bosch official website for the full list. So before troubleshooting, always turn off the power and water supply for safety. So if the error keeps coming back even after cleaning and checking hoses, it may be a sensor or internal part failure. In that case, it's best to contact Bosch customer support or certified technician. So that's how you can fix the most common Bosch dishwasher error codes at home and know them to call in extra help. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.